Everyone, and welcome to my Christmas season Trash to Treasure thrift store finds. Hello and good day, everybody. It's me, Chanel, here, and today I have 3 thrift store finds that I want to share with you during this holiday season, and they were some excellent finds. Actually, I believe one of them was actually new, and the other one looks like it's practically new as well. And then I'm also going to show you a DIY with one of the thrift store finds makeover. So I hope you enjoy the video. Now for this particular trip, I am taking you guys along to show you some of the items, because sometimes it is actually unbelievable the prices that you can find some of these items at in the thrift store. So I like to show you the item in the store with the price to make sure that you really believe me when I tell you what I paid for the items. So here you will see several of the items that I did purchase as well. And it was a globe, as you can see. It was a tray and an ice bucket that came with a pair of beautiful glasses. Now first I'm going to show you the basket that I purchased, and as you can see here on the basket, it was $2.99, and it is very large in size. And I'll show you just how I styled it up. So we all know that baskets make excellent decor in just about any room in your home. And as I showed you this particular basket that I picked up at the thrift, I was like, oh my goodness, I could not believe it was in here. And that is the price that I paid for the basket. Excellent find, especially for the size that it is. You can see it here. It is really big. And I love the natural color of the wood that it is made out of, or wicker, whatever you want to call it. I just love the naturalness of it. At first I thought about painting it, but I quickly changed my mind and said no, I do not want to paint it. So after I cleaned it up, shined it up, and it is looking absolutely fabulous. Let me show you just what I'm going to put in it. And as you know, there are many things that you can put inside of baskets: laundry, clothes, things like that, and you can use them as decorative objects in your room, such as your family room, to house pillows and things like that. So let me just show you exactly what I'm going to put in. Now the next item I have here is this beautiful tray. It is by the brand Chromex, made in the USA. And I looked it up online, and you can still find these trays for sale. And I seen them ranging online anywhere from $18 to $48. So it was an excellent find at $3.93. And I'll show you just how I styled it up. And as you can see next here, I found this beautiful gold studded Mercury glass vase. And I'm going to clean it up, shine it up, and I'm going to show you 2 different ways that I styled it. So stay tuned in. Now, as you can see with my thrift store finds, my trash to treasures, I like to bring them home and of course clean them up, but I also like to show you when I am presenting them to you in a fashion that I would style them in my home, so it gives you an idea or inspire you to maybe go out and shop at the thrift stores or consignment stores. I don't want to just present it to you and hold it up to you, but I want to show it to you in a manner that way when you can see it visually and you can imagine it perhaps in your space. Now the next item here is the ice bucket with the beautiful glasses, and I'm going to again clean them up, shine them up, and style them and show you how you could possibly use something like this in your space along with the tray. Like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been me, Chanel, here,